Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss with you chapter 2 encoding schemes and number system for first PUC student and class 11 CBSE students. So this chapter I am going to break into different videos because one video I'm going to concentrate on one number system so that you will be understanding thoroughly. And if you have a question also, you can post your question in the comment section. I can reply to your answer. And finally, I am going to give you the mind map so that easily you can revise the concept and remember how to do the conversion. You will not get confused with that. Okay, so I am going to start with what is the meaning of encoding. So encoding is nothing but the mechanism of converting data into an equivalent cipher by using the specific code. So this is called encoding. For example, when you're typing something to the computer, so each character, how the computer will understand, so that there will be some format or coding, right? So that to that, no, the computer will understand like, okay, you are typing now A or D or F. So the computer will have a equivalent code. That is nothing but the encoding. And what is the meaning of cipher here? It is nothing but converted to a code to form a hide or conceal it from others. So basically what is cipher means, for example, you're writing the message in a secret code so that only the intended person can understand it, right? So your whatever you are typing in English, so the machine level language will not understand, right? But there is a code for that so that it will do the decoding and understand what you are typing in. That is called cipher. Okay, so it is like a secret message so that the machine will understand to no to her the machine level language it will understand. That is nothing but the cipher. And what are the popular encoding schemes are there? There are two are there. One is called ASCII code, which means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So it will be having 2 to the power of 7, which means 128 characters. It is completely the English language, mathematical symbol, and if you see whatever is there in the keyboard, everything you have a equivalent code. For example, if you're taking the capital letter A, what is the equivalent code of ASCII? If you're asking, I will tell it is a 65. And small letter A also there is a equivalent code. That is nothing but the 97. So like this, each number, each space or everything you will be having the equivalent code. And okay, and next one, if you're taking the ISCI character, what is the meaning of ISCI? Means Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. So it will be having 2 to the power of 8 is 256 characters. So Indian characters means you will be considering all the languages like Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, all the languages, the equivalent code will be there. That is called ISCI code. Next, we are having the Unicode also. So that is nothing but the universal code. So that code also you will be having more number of characters. So it is a universally you will be accepting. It includes all the no, it includes all the languages in that. Okay. And when it comes to the number system, this is very important concept, number system. And we are having four type of number systems are there according to the computer science. So one is a decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. All the four number systems are useful. So what is the meaning of number system? In mathematics also we are using the number system, right? It is way to represent the numbers using symbols or digits. So here also, what is a decimal number system? How can you represent the decimal number system? Is nothing but the base. Based on the base or radix we will be telling. So if the base is 10, then we can consider as a decimal number system. Okay, so what is the base value? So what are the digit it will be using is 0 to 9 digit it will use in the decimal number system. If you're taking the binary number system, what is the base of binary number system is 2, because it is going to accept the zeros and ones only. That is called binary number system. Next one is the octal number system. What is the meaning of octal is the base is 8. So it will accept the value 0 to 7. Totally 8 value it will accept it. And hexadecimal system, the base is what, 16. So it will accept the value 0 to 9 and A to F. What is the meaning of A to F is nothing but See, 0 to 9, it will accept as a numerical form. But A to F, it will be accepting as a alphabetical form. For example, if you take the value of A, the equivalent code is 10. Then capital letter B, the equivalent is 11. So instead of 10, you are mentioning in hexadecimal number system as A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. So the last one, what is the F character is 15. Okay, so till 15, it is going to accept it. I hope everybody is clear. And where are we using this number system? If you take a decimal number system, every day we are using it, right? Like counting, math, everything. We are using the program also related to mathematical everything. So that time the decimal number system will be helpful. Binary number system, it will be understand computer and digital system. They will be understanding the binary number system. Octal number system, where are we using? There are some computer application we will be using the octal number system. And what about the hexadecimal number system? It can be used in web colors. If you see some of the colors, they will be representing as a the hexadecimal format, and memory addresses also they will be mentioning in the hexadecimal format. So these are the number system we are going to do it. Mainly here the concentration you have to do it is how to do the conversion. So first, if you're taking the decimal to other number system. So what is a decimal to other number system? So which means the decimal to binary and decimal to octal and decimal to hexadecimal. How to do the conversion? There is only one method for this. What is that method? You are going to divide the decimal number by the base of the target. For example, I want to convert the decimal to binary means you are going to take the 2. Decimal to octal means 8. Decimal to hexadecimal means 16. After that, you are going to record the remainder of each division. Continue dividing the quotient until it becomes 0. After that, you have to write the answer from bottom to top. So now I'm going to explain you how to do it in the sum. Now I'm taking the value now. So for example, I want to convert the question. They will be asking 200 base 10. The base you have to mention like this. 200 base 10. What is the equivalent of number system of binary? How can you do it? You take the number 200 and divide the number. Like LCM method, you have to divide the number by 2. And what is the quotient here? 100 is the quotient, right? 100. And what is the remainder when you are dividing the number by 200 by 100? What is the remainder you will get? It is a 0 remainder you will get, right? And again 100 you are going to divide the number by 2. So 50 into 2s are 100. So completely it is divisible. So 0 again you are getting the answer. Again you are dividing the number by what? 2. Again what is the answer now? 25 into 2s are 50. The remainder is what? 0. Again the same you are going to do it for 2. Then what is the answer here? 12 2s are 24. Next 25 minus 24, what is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. Again 2. What is 2? 6 2s are 12. Then anything remainder? Remainder is 0. Next what is that? 2. 3 2s are 6. It is completely divisible? Yes. 3 2s are 6. Next, what is the next one? 2. So 2 1s are 2. Now 0 is the remainder. So what we had discussed, until the quotient becomes 0, you have to do it. Now you can see 2 and divided by 1, right? So how can you do it? You can see here outside the larger number are there, inside smaller numbers are there. So whenever the larger number outside, the smaller number inside, the quotient will be 0. And what will be the remainder? What is there inside the number? That is a remainder. Clear? Because normally when you're doing the division, we will be mentioning 0 point something for the quotient, right? So that is what you are mentioning the quotient as 0. We are just removing the point. And what will be the remainder? 1 is the remainder. After that, how do you write it? From bottom to top, you will be writing. So the answer for this question is 1. From here, you are going to start at 1. Then 0, 0, 3, 0, 1, then 3, 0 is the answer. After that, don't forget to put 2 here because you're doing the conversion. Understood? This is what you will be doing it for the decimal to binary. So we are going to discuss now how to convert the decimal 266 to octal value. The same method only we are going to do it. 266, we are going to divide the number by 8. And what is the quotient? See, many of my students keep on telling that they are not understanding how to do it in calculator. I am going to tell you that. So when I am taking the calculator here, you have to mention 266 divided by 8. What is the answer? You are getting the answer 33.25. But we can't take point, right? So what you have to do, before decimal point, what is there? 33. So you can mention here 33 multiplied by 8. What is the answer you are getting it? You are getting 264. So to here, what is the number is there? 266. So 266 minus 264, what is the answer? 2 is the answer. So your quotient is now here. You have to write 33 and the remainder is what? 2. Again, take the number 8. Clear? Now 33. Now you have to take what? 33. Divide the number by 8. What is the answer? 4.125. Again, what you have to do? 4 you have to take. 4 into 8 what? It is 32. But here what is the number is there? 33. So what will be the remainder? 1 is the remainder. 33 minus 32 is 1. So here what is the answer you have to do? 4 you have to do. And the remainder is what? 1. Again you are going to take the value 8. Now you can see here outside 8, inside the small number. What I told you. If the small numbers are there, quotient will be 0. And what is the number here? 4. That will be your remainder. After that you have to write it here. So what is the answer here? 4, 1, 2 to the base 8 is the answer. Clear now? Next we are going to see 423 base 10 to 16. The same we are going to do it. 423 and you are going to divide the number by what? 16, because here it is a 16. Again I am taking the calculator. You can see how to do it. 423 divided by 16. What is the answer? 26 point. So 26 point you should not take it. What number you have to take? 26. So 26 into 16 you are going to do it. What is the answer you are getting it? 416. So 423 minus 416, what is the answer? 26. Sorry, 7 is the answer, right? So what is the quotient here? 26. The 26 is your quotient and the remainder is what? 7. Clear? After that you are taking what? 16 again. So again 26 divided by 16 you should take. 26 divided by 16. What is the answer? 1.625. So again here 1 into 16. That no need to do it. So 1 into 16. And what is the remainder? 16 here 26. So 26 minus 16 is what? 10. So 10 we are not going to write it. So instead of 10 in hexadecimal, what I told you, A you have to write it, the capital letter A. After that again you have to divide the number by 16. Now see inside what is the number? 1. It is smaller than outside. So what will be the quotient? 0 is the quotient and remainder will be what? 1. You have to write it here this direction. So what is the answer here? 1, A and 7 to the base 16. Clear? So this is what you have to do, the conversion from decimal to other number system. You have to divide the number. If it is a binary, divide the number by 2 and collect the remainder in every step. And next one, if it is octal, divide the number by 8. And if it is a hexadecimal, divide the number by 16. So this is what you have to do, the decimal to other number system conversion. If you have a question, please post your question in the comment section. And next video of the first PUC series, I am going to discuss with you the another conversion. I told you this is my book. If you see the book, you will be having the point-wise explanation and lot more example I have given. So if you want to order it, you can contact this person. He will deliver to your place, as well as it will be available in Sapna Book online also, and Avenue Road. If you go Sapna Book House also, you will get it. So you can get, you can have all in one textbook, question bank and lab manual, and I have mentioned all the question and answer with a point wise and easy explanation. So just you can go through that, and if you already ordered the book, please you can just put your feedback in the comment section. So So those who didn't subscribe my channel, please do the subscription. And if this video is really helpful, please share it with your friends. Thank you so much.